Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Flippin Friday, and this is hosted by Jamie from Board or Bananas. So if you haven't already visited her channel, there will be a link in my description box of her channel and as well as the playlist of all the participants. And yeah, please do click on the channel and subscribe to her channel as well, and also see the beautiful inspirational videos in the playlist as well. So let's get started. So this is the final outro, you guys. And if you remember, this was one of my fall pumpkin, and then I converted that into something Christmassy. And now this is Valentine, or you can say spring. So since I painted, white polka dots on a black background, so I thought of doing this with a Kate Spade inspiration. So I just stuck a lot of pink roses on the top, and of course these are from Dollar Tree, like we saw the process. And I stuck a lot of green leaves on top, and I just wanted to give like a Kate Spade inspired something like a wall hanging or something you can decorate on a table. So I'm very happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this. And let's go to this picture frame. And this one is basically a Dollar Tree frame like you saw, and I stuck the Sephora bag And because the Kate Spade has also like white and black stripes, and I picked this black picture frame, and I stuck the Sephora bag inside the frame, you can see, and I stuck 3 of the rose buds, dark pink color, and then this is the picture frame that I'm going to hang, and this is also Kate inspired picture frame, and I'm very happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this one I wanted to give like an envelope which is filled with flowers. So this is also one of the Sephora bag, and I stuffed a lot of plastic bags inside, and then I actually, like you saw the process, I just covered it with some of the striped bags, and also created like an triangle on the top to just give like an open envelope, and then filled white flowers there. I thought of doing pink, but I also wanted to try out seeing like how white flowers look on it. So I just filled a lot of white flowers. Those are like roses and some carnations, and I don't know the other one. And I also gave like a sheer ribbon around the box and a bow, if you can see, just to cover the Sephora letters, and one more bow on the top. So this is just the envelope filled with flowers. So I'm very excited about this project, and let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite? And you want to give any suggestions? Please do leave suggestions in the comment section. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.